Hi guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a braid out using the Melanin Haircare products. And first, I'm going to be using the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. And this leave-in conditioner has baobab oil, turnip root, and provitamin B5. And so it's very nourishing for your hair. And this product also smells like peppermint, so I love how it smells. And next I'm going to be going in with the Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream, and it has shea butter and natural oils, and it also has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes, and no phthalates. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that I evenly apply the product, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair. Because my hair was pretty dry, I make sure that when I started out on each section that I sprayed my hair with enough water, and then I went in with the leave-in conditioner, and then I would brush my hair through again and then go in with the hair cream and then braid up my hair. As you also saw, once I finished one side of my hair, I put some more cream at the top of my hair to smooth it down because my hair tends to get really frizzy at the top. So this is what my braids are looking like, and I'm going to see you guys the next day to show you guys the results. Okay, so I'm back and I'm just going to start to unravel my braids. I'm trying to be as gentle as I possibly can, and I'm going to take out my braids first and then I'm going to separate. At this point, I am just amazed at the definition. These products are amazing. I really love them. My hair feels good as I'm taking my hair out. It feels like butter, and I just love how my hair is looking right now. Alright, so now it's time to separate those curls. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to take my Gorilla Snot gel and I'm going to lay down my edges. Alright, so this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am in love with these hair products. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!